Oh god, the floor, he's just invisible. Ah! Oh my god, guys, it's Tommy Emmett. Oh, it's Tommy in it. I'm still waiting for Josh Kitty. I must write this command. Josh Kitty here. Josh Kitty here. So now in some second he should appear. That is not them. That's just from fucking. Okay, it worked, guys. My command worked. It's Josh Kitty. It's Josh Kitty himself. Hello, I will make you laugh. The bomb. I got that. Hey, bubbles. So today we're gonna be playing. Okay. Hello. Josh Kitty. Hello, Josh Kitty. So today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button. You're not Josh Kitty. Today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button. And I already did a video like that. I already posted Don't Press the Button. Yeah, like part 2, but with this Josh Kitty. Page 2. What? Page. That does not make sense. It's parts, not page. Not like the rest of them that you hop. It's look. Oh my god, I forgot to not move. Every time you make your right part, you always say right para. You always write para. You always write that. We're gonna push bombs. Hey, let's push bombs. No, we're gonna be pushing bombs. Bomb! Get out, bomb! Get out, bomb! Get out, bomb! No, I'm dying! Me die! Fall Guys be like... Fall Guys be like... Oh, Fall Guys! Fall Guys! This is Fall Guys! No, this is Fall Guys! It's Fall Guys. Okay, guys. Hey, Josh. Stop being AFK. Josh, this bomb will make you not be AFK. It will explode and... Yeah, it worked. The bomb exploded and now he's not AFK. It worked. Oh no, I forgot there's no jump. I'm just running in camp for no reason. You can't jump. You can't jump. Jump. I meant to say jump. You can't jump. Hello, Josh. Hello, Joshy. Oh no, we are done. I did not make it. I am so newbie. Yes. Oh no! Ah! Yes, I can. You can't jump. You can't jump. Oh my god, oh no, it's Terror. It's Terror himself. Oh my god, thank you, Tornado. You took Look what I wrote. Hey. Oh no battery. I was being magic. Wow, I'm so pro. I need to put this. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just need to put my Nintendo Switch to charge because that's the only way we can communicate. Oh my god, we babies! We baby, you fat! You fat now. You fat now. Oh, yes. You're... Yes, bad words. I can say bad words in Roblox. Push. Push. No, you can only push the bomb. Bomb, push bomb. Bush. Where bush? Push. Bush, push. Oh, push. Push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push. Push, 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 push. Push, push, push. Hey! Hey, that's inappropriate. That is inappropriate. You said. Oh! It's me. I'm the seeker. That's some never only right there. Dot. I cannot find anyone. I'm just gonna straight up live. Ah, you did. I hear the spawn. Other people. We're humans. I need to kill humans. And Duncan is dead. Just kidding. Okay, I will need to skip the latest time. Okay, we're back now. He cannot talk. He can only talk in chat. Cause his baby brother, how he calls him, want to use the Nintendo because his baby brother because him want to use the I got yes. He can still hear me. He can still hear me. Yes. I have 2 of these. What? Oh no! Oh my god, we need to get out of here. Hey, we got pie. Delicious pie. No, he's done. Pie. Hello. Pie. How did I not die? The Bracket 87. Come on, I did it, you frickin'. But can you put your mic? Put your mic. Me. Throw ball. We need to win. We need to throw ball. Oh no! Put out your mic. Hey, John Skinny, out your mic. John Skinny, out your mic. You gonna laugh now. Hey, you want to laugh? Hey, you wanna laugh? You laugh at me. Oh, you laugh at me? Well, are you recording, Josh Kitty? Are you recording? Josh Kitty, I think I need to talk to him in chat. Josh Kitty, are you still recording? Josh, not Jason. Josh Kitty, are you recording? Josh Kitty, are you recording? I need to do this first. Yes, I win. I told you, are you recording? And you just don't want to do. Are you recording? Are you recording? I just want to tell you if you're recording. Okie dokie. Well, now I have to talk to him in chat. Look, I'm next to Josh K. Kitty. Well, we aren't in voice chat anymore since he just left. Manic me. No. Yeah. Ah! Josh, are you recording? Josh, are you recording? Josh, I need to take out my mic. Or should I put my mic in? I don't know. Josh, are you recording? Yes. Okay, so he's recording, but I can only talk to him in chat. Guys, I suck. I suck. Oh my god! OMG, it's Nutella! OMG, it's Nutella! Nutella! Wait. Okay, I thought you were playing. Oh my god, it's Nutella! Hey, Josh! 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 I think you need to stop recording. I think you need to stop recording before you can't upload it. Before you can upload it. Oh, okay. But still be here. But still be here. Okay? But still be here. Oh, okay. Why did I thought that? So now he can only talk and chat to me because he's baby brother, how he said it, you know. That. Yeah, I get it. You're not my mom. Nutella. 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 Okay, I know. Shit. No, don't leave me. You're not all that mean anymore. You're still being used. Doge. Blue. Come. Okay, dokie. I stay here. I stay here again. Blue. No, not the red. Because, yeah. Blue. Okay, so now it's gonna. Oh crap! This one. Yee. Let's go. Me pro. Let's go, me pro. Let's go, me pro. Oh crap. Oh, thank you for the information, John Skinny. I like to understand. Every time you do something. uh, 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 no! You're not a pro. Dude. Ew. I just forgot one. Oh, yeah. Josh Kitty. Upload the video and then join me. Josh Kitty, upload the video and then join me. Please. Okay, he's uploading it right now. I'm gonna do an epic transition. Yay! But that was not the transition. This is the transition. It's gonna explode. Josh Kitty joins. Wow, that transition was so cool. He's finally here. Get ready to sword fight. Yay. Okay, Kitty. Yay, I killed. Do I record again? No. No, get up. No. You already uploaded the video, idiot. No. I already typed no, but okay. You're gonna say okay. I'm just gonna guess that. Okay, so why when I guess he's gonna say that, it always comes up with the other thing. Oh no! Dude, hey, give it to me. Hey, give it to me. I will save you. No, 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 no. No, no! No, 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 no. What? Fortnite Battle Pass. Banana! Banana! Fortnite Battle Pass. Into the house.
That's a lot of damage.
Damage. Damage. Damage. Wee. Ha 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 ha. I can be. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Yes, I am a totally normal person. I cannot see that, but okay, that does not matter. Okay, now I can see it. For Christ's sake, that's a lot of damage. Oh crap. Yes, I did it. I did it. I did it. Woo! 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 Okay, cake. The cake was alive. The cake was alive. Oh crap. I'm not surrounded because I accidentally got the pop up. No. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Oh no! 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 I can't find that. No. No! I will not out of that. Guys, I'll be waiting back on it for 20 minutes. And yeah. I'm stuck. Oh, man. Hey! Hey! Give me one. I'm so sad. I must die. I'm sad. Josh K. Kitty. Josh K. Kitty. Josh K. Kitty. End of video. So bye guys. The ending of this video will be so dramatic. There, that was the end of the video.